If you think that Mount Pleasant is out of reach right now, stick around because today we're going to change all of that. This is Mount Pleasant, South Carolina real estate, and we're going to take a look at a condo unit that includes a whole lot more than you'd actually expect. I'm Brett Kelly with the Treat team at SC Sold Real Estate, and this is our new listing. So we can answer any of the questions that you might have about this property. This condo sits inside Southampton Pointe, a gated community here in Mount Pleasant. You're close to town center for shopping and dining, a short drive to Shem Creek, and still not far from Isle of Palms or Sullivan's Island. And this pool area is what made me want to show this to you in the first place. Full pool, grill area right next to it. This is where you'll actually spend your Saturday afternoons. And on top of that, there's tennis, pickleball courts, a dog park, fire pits, a bocce ball court, and boat storage if you're bringing a boat to the Lowcountry. You've also got the Clubhouse, where you've got your own fitness center, billiards room, library lounges, and if you just want to get away somewhere quiet to get some work done and relax, this is your spot. So let's go ahead and have a look here. So there's one thing that if you've ever taken a look at properties with me, my clients will tell you that I really struggle when it comes to identifying light switches and which ones do what. So first thing, when you walk into this beautiful condo, you'll see the kitchen right off to the right, then right through the front door. I mean, you just open right up into the open living space, which has beautiful updated flooring here. Over here, you've got open concept where if you're big on entertaining, having guests come over, everyone still is in the line of sight that you have. And we have more lights, which means more light switches that we can figure out together here. That's not it. There we go. So nice breakfast nook, can easily fit, nice sized table right over here. Beautiful natural lighting that comes in, just to help give it a nice feel. But let me know what you guys think about the size of the living space and the floor plan layout, just of the kitchen. Make a comment below. Really want to know some feedback that you guys have here. So in the kitchen, you've got super well maintained property here. Everything at least is matching with all of your appliances that you've got. Some nice updated light fixtures that have been installed, including a nice ceiling fan in the living area that we have. We'll circle back to what's outside this door. Big secret, stay tuned. Before we enter into the master suite, let's take a quick little look here so you guys can see. Awesome condo, great location in Mount Pleasant. And here now we roll right into, there's another light switch, love it. So master suite, same floors, consistency is key. So we're a big fan of that. So this door also, stay tuned, take a look there in a minute. But in the master suite, you have your very nice size walk-in closet that can fit all of your belongings and then some. So you can fit all of your shoes, all your shirts, all your dresses, all your blouses, and surprise, there's even more storage. Take a look. It's awesome. So great size master bedroom, really awesome size closet. Walk-in closet, folks. Not just your little pocket door. Great natural lighting to come in here. Now, before we take a look through magic door number, what is this? That'd be magic door number 4? 3, I guess. My math skills aren't computing properly today. Let me know what you guys think about the size of the master bedroom. Too small? Too big? Just right? I mean, realistically, you could place king size bed in here, still have room for additional furniture pieces, nice dresser, nightstands, and then of course, plenty of space for another dresser, TV, totally up to you. Great functional space, a lot of options. And these fans really cranked. Now, secret door number 3, 4. It's got a nice updated vanity, very modern sink as well. Really cool clock that they have totally fixed onto the wall. And don't forget, relax. I mean, come on. We're in Mount Pleasant. We're in Charleston, South Carolina. Gotta relax. On the other side, here's your shower tub combo. And behind secret door number 10,000, got your hot water heater in here, laundry units. Those are also very important. And even a shelf up here for additional storage. It's nice and bright, great storage space. Love when you see just little details like this. It's a nice touch. Touch sensor, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, thermostat. It's great. Then we're right back into our main living area. So it might be a little tough to see on the video itself right now, but really, really loving the wall paint colors. Light blue, just makes you feel cozy. Just makes you feel cozy, but right at the beach, which you are. You're in Mount Pleasant. Another quick little snap of the kitchen. Nice roll right into the living space. And as promised, door number 12. So as we go through, geez. That was a user error. So what's really unique about this unit is that you do have a screened porch. So your private screened porch right here. And then, but wait, there's more. This door right here will take you to the other side of the porch. You have a really nice utility closet here. Great for additional storage. It does have a light in here as well. Just like to point that out for the folks. But this side of the porch that we're on, this is wide open. So you're not just limited to having a screened porch or only limited to having an open aired porch. You get the best of both. What kind of day are you having? Is it a screened porch kind of day, or are we having an open porch kind of day? Which is an interesting dichotomy because it did just downpour. I'm actually soaked right now. You can see the storm off in the distance. Looks like that's gonna be over the Cooper River in that direction towards North Charleston. So we just had a nice downpour. So downpour, however, it's a beautiful sunshiny day now that we're doing this. Same kind of situation with our porch. Do you want to have screened in porch kind of day? Or do you want to have open air kind of porch day? The choice is yours, but at least you have choices. Having choices is important. Now there is one extra thing I did promise I would circle back to, which was secret door number 38. So if we just go back through over here into the master, there she is, secret door number 38. So if you just kick this door right open, now voila, great view. As soon as you wake up, get a good stretch, grab your cup of coffee, come right out. Coffee on the port. And there you have it, our condo here in Mount Pleasant, in Southampton, Pointe, 29464. Important to distinguish, 29464, heart of Mount Pleasant, not 29466. Great storage space with the cabinetry throughout the kitchen. You got another very usable pantry right here. And I'll tell you what, I've seen a lot of condos in the Lowcountry here. What you'll end up finding is that oftentimes condos, they don't have a pantry. You'll have to make turn a cabinet into a pantry where you keep all of your canned goods and your chips and snacks and things like that. But this condo, you don't have to worry about that. You have your own pantry right there. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Would you live here? Could you live here? If a maintenance-free lifestyle like this is something that you've been considering, drop a comment below and tell me what you'd use the most. The pools, the tennis courts, or the dog park. I told you at the start of this that this place includes a lot more than you'd expect between the boat storage, the dog park, and the fire pits, the pool, you name it. This is genuinely one of the more loaded amenity packages that I've seen at this price point in Mount Pleasant. Pricing and availability on this one are in the description below, so take a look and see if it fits. If you want to see this in person, call or text our team directly at 843-738-2394. And if you own a condo here in Southampton Pointe or anywhere in Mount Pleasant or the Tri-County area, and you want to learn more about the value of your specific property, there's also a link in the description for a home valuation too. I'm Brett Kelly with the Treat team at SC Sold Real Estate. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on all of our weekly market updates and Tri-County reports. Every single week, why not? We'll see you on the next one.